Hello, family, friends, and visitors. I've made a winter scene. About a week ago, I showed you where I had been out collecting pine cones to make a simple Christmas display. And it's really just to show you that you don't have to spend a lot of money, or if you want to save space, you can do an end and make it very festive. So this is my little creation of the woods. And I've used aluminum foil, and that's to make it as though there's ice on the ground. So I truly have been out getting pine cones and pine tags. And when the summer comes, I'll just put those in my garden. And then down here, I painted those as well and put them in a basket. And I'll sit them somewhere for display. But that's how my forest came out. Some I painted green to be natural looking. Some I painted white to look like they had snow on the tips. And of course, my little gnome. Continuing on with Dr. King, I found out that he had a brother. And I don't know why I didn't hear about this brother years ago. With the Reverend A.D. Williams. They say he was a very good speaker. I believe in Tennessee. They say he went everywhere with his brother, Dr. King, and that they were very close. I don't know why I have not heard of this man. And his thing was, at that time they called it open housing, which is probably what we would call now just housing or HUD. He was assassinated after Dr. King. They assassinated their mother while she was playing the organ, worshiping the Lord. So I listened to Dr. King Sr., one of his sermons, and he said they had taken just about everything away from him, but they could not take away his faith. Sometimes we go through so much, but if we just have a little bit of faith, we can hold on and get through. And I know a lot of people think we're crazy. They think we're silly because we praise the Most High. You're supposed to praise the Most High. You are not supposed to worship man. Now we know things have changed. We know something is going on. I don't have to come out and say it, but you know right from wrong. We know it's been manipulated, and that was done years ago, long before we came here. But we know the right way, and we are not going to follow a man. We're going to follow the Most High. So they may laugh at us now, but you know, it's funny until it's not funny. I found this clip. This is Dr. A.D. King's wife, Dr. Babs Anna. YouTube.
Was born in 1930 to...
My picture window began to crack, and simultaneously my husband came up from the bedroom, and he came up, and he opened the door, the front door to our home. And by the time we got to the middle of our home, the second bomb hit.
Never heard of that story. Truly, the news was not covering Reverend A.D. Williams, a very powerful civil rights leader. I want to share with you some ornaments that I made, and I want to show you how simple it is. So all I needed was a box, any box. Could be crackers, could be cereal, could be cardboard from the store. And then I cut out these shapes. I didn't even measure them. Just cardboard. Then I decided what paint I wanted. Now go with your color scheme. Whatever your color scheme is, if it's white, if it's red, if it's pink, that's what you go by. So I painted both sides. If you can see that, I painted both sides. And then I used Mod Podge, so the cardboard would be hard and the paint will not come off. And then I tied twine in a knot and glued it down. That's going to hang it on my tree. And then this is how it turned out. So far I have made 6. And I may make a few more. Here's another one. Painted the back. Put the twine. Made that one a little shorter. They all don't have to be identical. I didn't even measure it. So I was going to do a little more on Dr. King. I have seen so many pictures of Dr. King with his head in his hand, at his wit's end. Saw a picture of him standing over his kitchen sink, head down, so low, didn't know where to go. So went into prayer. And sometimes we just have to go into prayer. Just have to go in our closet. This man was worn down a long time ago, but never gave up. And also his brother had a swimming pool in his backyard. And he was an excellent swimmer. And that's where they found him, in the pool. Can you imagine how their family has made it through all that tragedy? Unless they had faith in the Most High. Thank you, Sister Collins, that's Sister Sharp's mother, my dear cousin, Galilee Baptist Church. Sister Ransom, of course, was on that organ. Family, I hope you have a wonderful holiday. I have not been feeling well lately, but I did want to get a video up for you, especially for the holiday. And maybe, family, I will be able to do another short one, maybe in a week. So God bless. Take care. Hold on to your faith and let them laugh. They will laugh until it is not funny anymore. God bless you all. Thank you. I'll be returning.